What's up, YouTube? Just doing a little maintenance on the bike, but what I want to talk to you about was this guy right here. This is the lithium X2Power battery from Batteries and Bulbs, or Batteries Plus. This thing is light as a feather. It's only like 2 pounds. It's got this little gauge indicator. It tells you when the battery's full or needs a charge. And it bolted right up. It's 560 cold cranking amps. I mean, it fires the bike right up. It was expensive though. It's about I think I paid $330 for it, and then you have to get a special charger that does lithium. You can't use a regular charger on it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this one bolts right up in there, and I'll tell you the model number. So this is the box it comes in, and the model number is right there. It's a X2P TAC 30LHY, and like I said, it bolts right into touring bike. This one here is a 2018 Milwaukee 8, and it's a beast. So anyway, later.